Welcome back to our channel, Ask Deb's Legacy, where we bring your ideas on how and why you should be making $900 days online. We will discuss with you in this video how you can generate daily income by working 2 hours a day. And we are referring to days like this. Even though it is only 2 o'clock in the afternoon, this is how my day has gone thus far. So how can that be? Because an automatic system is in place. For instance, pages similar to this one are available and functional for me around the clock. We assume that you don't need to locate folks. Following up with folks is not required. You are not required to add people as friends. Asking, hey, would you be interested? You don't need to send embarrassing direct messages to people. Or would you be available? None of those conversations are required of you. So allow me to clarify. These are the exact pages. It's what we refer to as high-tech to high-touch. We have the high touch of our automated system, the high technology of social media platforms, and the ability to copy and paste free, tested advertisements to popular websites. All right? So allow us to clarify. People will visit this page, provide their email address, and be directed to pages similar to this one. We go on to explain how the blueprints operate and how they can use them to earn daily cash. The 4 digital items that they can choose from are shown above. Additionally, a daily pay online business that works for you around the clock is sent to them by email. People can then reply to this email with any questions they may have when they visit this location, and we will be happy to answer them. And here's what's fantastic about this, you guys. They can buy it right here if they're interested. And our automations immediately start to operate. This comes with 21 emails, already written and being sent out automatically to your person who has just signed up. We are simply out there in the online world, providing value every day for 21 days. And some people will agree that's fantastic. No, that's okay, some will reply. Sometimes they might say no, and we have no idea what they mean, because it's a complete rejection-free business. So why are we telling you about this? You do realize that we are giving you this fully automated system for free. All you have to do is invest in yourself, and the system comes along with your decision to join us. Additionally, all you need to do in this system is add your website here, just like these pages, in order for customers to purchase from you. The automation system is fully configured. Simply remove our website, email address, and name. And that is what has allowed us to study, earn money every day, and have days like these instead of being totally stressed and overloaded with an online business. This is how we spent today. Our yesterday was that. All we are doing, you guys and gals, is returning offers to this, so allow us to clarify. For example, let's just visit our TikTok channel. We'll enter that in now. My TikTok channel is located here. And we only provide value. I also want to share something with all of you. When Michelle started in September, she didn't even have a TikTok, and I'm just learning my way around as well after being taught by the system how to get an account and keep it interesting. Therefore, you don't require any followers. All right? We genuinely teach you how to create an insider community using Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. However, I find that videos like this one are effective. The videos then contain what is known as a call to action. As you can see, sometimes we even ramble on in a few of the videos because we get so excited to help people just like you to get ahead, so that we can demonstrate to you how to accomplish this even with faceless videos. Therefore, we spend our 2 hours a day copying and pasting free tested advertisements to popular websites. We make 3 videos after that. Some of the videos you are currently viewing are about 5 seconds long. Additionally, a single movie lasts between 30 and 45 seconds. A minute is also one video. That's it. After that, our automations start working. We then make a call to action in these films that you are viewing here to return to these sites. Additionally, this is where people can learn. Therefore, if you're interested in learning how to have a completely automated business that works for you around the clock, and you don't have to search for individuals to follow, and your business is completely rejection-free, may I suggest that you might have found your purpose in life with us? And look what else we have for you. We have a community of the most outstanding, like-minded people. If you would love to be a part of our great community, then we invite you to join us here. And they tell us their stories when they have success. Let me demonstrate. You get this community for free, and being an ASIF part of the environment is important. Your learning curve will be greatly shortened by spending time with successful and upbeat people. This is the type of person you will be surrounded by. So have a look at this. It's Amy. It happened, she says. Today I made my first 2 sales. My TikTok video went viral. Many thanks. I am so grateful that you served as my mentor. All right. That's one then. Check this out now. In fact, this occurred over Spring Bay a few days later. Here she is once more, but take a look. As I sit here, I watched my children go skiing. I felt my watch buzz, and when I looked, I saw a notice of a $300 buy. I wanted to cry happy tears. This is a really wonderful experience. I also know that I was supposed to see you on TikTok. My account was doing poorly, so I had to change it. And the first person I saw was you. It was meant to be, I know that. I appreciate everything you've done. My life has really transformed because of you. We are merely sharing this information with you since it can also happen to you if you're coachable and willing to follow a system. Are you ready? Take a look. I'll enter this in now. I'm just typing some stuff in here inside my community. You can obtain assistance from our community without paying anything. Take a look at this. Oh, this is really wonderful. Since the automation started, I just got my first $600 commission while watching TV. I take it that we don't need to locate or contact people. However, I will find this one. This place has a lot of stuff. It's going to be fantastic. Take a look at this. $600 for the first commission. I can't wait. I'm hoping I did it correctly. While I am only demonstrating what's inside of our system, to which you have full access, I also want to share with you the resources that I have found to be effective in helping me study and make money every day. You guys have our undivided attention. We give it all to you, literally. In actuality, the solution that explains how to put your business on autopilot is located right here. You have free and full access to our automated system. These pages are already prepared and ready to use. These are the pages that will teach you how to earn money every day. I mentor people in real time as well. I understand now that everybody has a busy life. And we are not always able to be somewhere where we want to be. Therefore, you have complete access to our system. Let me show you again. Take a look at this. You have complete access to what is waiting for you after you hit that blue button to join. Learning how to set things up and go through the process will no longer take years and years to accomplish. All right. So, how is that? I wanted to learn how to earn daily cash, so if you're listening to me at this moment, I would truly be happy being able to work a few hours a day alongside you and help you to learn. If you are looking and are interested in what you have seen how we do things, You should absolutely look into this company. You would want to learn more? Simply visit askdebsalegacy.com. It will direct you to this video so you can find out more. Additionally, information will be sent to you by email. If you are happy thinking it fits well with you, then fantastic. We are happy to have you join us. Choose the digital product that best suits your objectives and aspirations. After that, you will receive your welcome email and a receipt. And you'll get instant access to both your digital product or products if you decide to join more than one, along with our incredible community as a consequence of your decision, for you to begin developing, flourishing, and learning to earn daily pay. I hope this video was helpful to you. And I hope you see that learning how to earn daily cash while working part-time is actually feasible. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment. Stay informed. Stay ahead, as it helps our channel's ratings. Until next time. Don't miss this next one, it's big. Stop struggling with content. Check out this video.